letter K, pronounced as K. Example, kahoa, which means coffee. Kahoa. Repeat after me. Kahoa. Next is letter M, pronounced as M. Example, mote, which means tree. Mote. Repeat after me. Mote. Next is letter N, pronounced as N. Example, juere, which means hair. Juere. Repeat after me. Juere.